Let's review the FabFilter VST plugins for mixing vocals. We're gonna do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godstyle once again, and still the solution camera, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FS Studio now, and we're gonna walk through, we're gonna review the FabFilter VST plugins for mixing vocals. Guys, first things first, I've routed the vocals to insert channel 3, and guys, we're gonna walk through the FabFilter VST plugins. Alright, so now let's review the FabFilter VST plugins, and I'm going to walk you through those that I normally use them. So when it comes to compressor, I mostly use the FabFilter Pro-Q. All right, so this is a great compressor. It gives you graphics. All right, you can see what is happening. You play with the threshold, the ratio, the attack, the release. If you don't know much about compressor, then watch my previous videos and I will take you through step by step. All right, so the first VST plugin from FabFilter that I normally use is this compressor. Look at this.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way, they beat me.
And if you don't know how to use compressor, all you have to do is to click here and go to vocals. All right, then choose any of these presets. This is super dope. Now listen, and if you watch here, you can also EQ the vocals directly from this compressor.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way, they beat me. Girlie give me love when I know.
Automatically it has compressed the vocals. Without the compressor,
girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way, they beat me.
And with the compressor,
girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way, they beat me. Girlie give.
So you can see the graphics over here. I really love this compressor. All right, change it to de-essing stereo backing vocals.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way, they beat me. Girlie give me love when I no need. Girlie give you more than is ever they can do.
Alright, now moving on to the next on my list. When it comes to EQ, I really love the EQ from FabFilter, and this is FabFilter Pro-Q 3. You can also use the FabFilter Pro-Q 2. Alright, so this is the EQ from FabFilter, and this is very great. All you have to do is to drag the knob, then play with the shape that you want. You can choose the low shelf, all right, low cut, then you can play with the decibel. All right, this is super simple, and one thing I like about this is that you can actually hold it and drag it anywhere that you want. So let's play.
Girlie handcuff me, she know this. She take it this way, they beat me. Girlie give me love when I no need. Girlie give you more than is ever they can.
All right, so you can actually play with this and also do surgical EQ.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way, they beat me. Girlie.
And also you can solo the frequency that you want to target. All you have to do is to click on this solo icon here. Now listen.
Girlie.
So now you can hear what is happening, and looking at the graphics.
Girlie handcuff.
Looking at the graphics, you can just cut this one off by dragging this all the way down. So there's a lot of surgical EQ that you can do with this FabFilter Pro-Q 3.
Girlie handcuff me.
Now you hear the boxy effect. You just cut it. This is amazing VST plugin. All right.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. She take it this way.
If you don't know how to EQ your vocal, then go and watch my videos. I take you through step by step. Alright guys,
girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me.
Then you can brighten up the vocals anyhow you want, or still do surgical EQ. Then guys, you are cool to go.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me.
So wait the FabFilter Pro-Q3, listen.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way they.
And without.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah.
Alright, so now you hear the difference. Let's move on to the next VST plugin that I use from FabFilter. And the next on my list is the DSR. Alright, I like the DSR from FabFilter. So this is the DSR. All you have to do is to choose from the preset. Guys, look at all this. Then you are cool to go. If it's a female, if it's a male, you choose from these two or this preset. And guys,
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way they beat me. Girlie give me love when I no need. Girlie give you more than is ever the gun they just spoil my ambition.
And automatically it will de-ess your vocals for you. Moving on to the next from FabFilter that I like, guys, is the Saturn. Alright, if you want to add saturation, you can go for this FabFilter Saturn. And guys, you can brighten up your vocals. You can choose from the preset, whatever that you want. There's a lot of things that you can do. There's effects here, guys, or you can actually control the knobs yourself.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way they beat me. Girlie give me love when I no need. Girlie give you more than is ever the gun.
You can play with any of these presets and boom, you are cool.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me.
Moving on to the next from FabFilter that I mostly use is the Volcano. Guys, alright, I really love this from FabFilter.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way they beat me. Girlie give me love.
So it gives you automatic preset that you can use for your mixing. Play with any of this thing. If you want enhancer, then
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me.
if you want to know how to mix your vocals step by step using FabFilter VST plugin, then subscribe to the channel because I will come back and take you through step by step. Moving on to the next from FabFilter that I mostly use is their Reverb. Guys, their Reverb is dope. Alright, and it comes with mono 1, mono 2, and guys, this is the Reverb from FabFilter. It's crazy. One thing I like about this is that you can actually control the frequency. Looking at the graph here, alright, EQ way to suit you. Play with the brightness, the character, the distance, the space, decay time, stereo rate, and also the mix. Then you can even play with the hot preset if you want ambience. Guys, look at all these ambience. If you are going for small rooms, medium, there's a lot of things that you can do. Very large, you choose from this preset, and guys, you manipulate it to fit what you want. All right, so let's choose any of these. Let's go for large room and go for gold plate. Now listen. Then all you have to do is to play with the knobs here, the decay time, then guys, you can actually control the knob from here.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way they beat me. Girlie give me love when I know.
With the Reverb, listen.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it this way.
Without the Reverb, listen.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me.
So you hear the difference.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah.
Then you can play with the band knobs here. Guys, do whatever that you like. I like FabFilter plugins. They are amazing. Guys, let's move on to the next thing that I mostly use from FabFilter. Is their multi-band compressor. Alright, so all that you can do is to choose from the preset. If you are going for mastering, mixing bars, keyboard guitars. It gives you preset that you can actually select bass, drum, vocals. Guys, you are cool to control the whole entire track. Alright, so now guys, next from FabFilter that I mostly use is their gauge. You can play with the threshold, the ratio, the range, attack, the hold. All these knobs are there for you to control it yourself. Alright, then you can also choose from the presets if it's a guitar, drums, effects, bass, bass, vocals. Guys, all these are presets. Then lastly from FabFilter that I mostly use is their limiter. Guys, I like this Pro L2 limiter 2 from FabFilter. Guys, this is amazing plugins. Alright, so there's a lot of things that you can do with FabFilter. You can use it to mix your vocals, use it to mix your beats, master your entire track. Guys, this is super simple. If you want to know how to mix your vocals in FL Studio using FabFilter plugins, then subscribe to the channel and I will come back and show you. By the way, if you don't know how to auto-tune your vocal, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. The name is Godside. See you in the next video. Come back for more. Stay blessed.